everybody, and welcome back to Kendamas for Grandmas. We've got a beautiful winter day here and I'm able to film this video out in the park. So let's get started. All right, the first move I want to show you today is a move called the Latch Catch. Latch Catch because the kendama starts in a position between your middle finger and thumb, and it's going to swivel or pivot up like opening a latch. The Latch Catch is actually a move that's half of a trick called flip-flop, but we won't get way ahead of ourselves. Let's just start with Latch Catch. I'll just show you again what the grip is like, show you what the entire move is like, and then we'll also have a look at it in slow motion. Okay, Latch Catch, here we go. The other move we're going to practice in today's video is a Sarado Catch. Now the Sarado is actually the name, the Japanese name for these two cups on our kendama. And to do a Sarado Catch, we're trying to catch the ball on the curve of the Sarado and the point of the can. So we don't really want to support it with our finger. We want to make the catch nice and clean on the curve of the Sarado, the point of the can. So it's called a Sarado Catch. And again, we'll look at it at regular speed, we'll look at it in slow motion, and hopefully you'll get a good enough idea to throw this into the mix when you're enjoying just a few minutes with your kendama. All right, Sarado Catch looks like this. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this video outdoors, and I hope you found some moves that you can throw into the mix, enjoy practicing with your kendama, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Click clack. Ready?
Which way are we going?
You're coming to yours.
Good.